How's everybody doing? We just made it here with the whole crew, with one missing. We're about to visit a new place here in I guess Punta Gorda. It's called Florida Track and Trails. So let's go explore, see what we can find here. We just arrived here at the rental office. We're gonna see what they have for rent, and hopefully be interesting. What? We're here live, Florida Track and Trails, going through the trails, first time here, taking a little cruise on a rental, see what they got to offer. Oh, it was automatic, pretty cool. I'm driving on one hand. I guess so far it's a beginner's thing, but it's pretty cool.
clutch when I was stopping.
I know how to get five, nigga.
So what?
It's beast.
Right now we're at break time. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this dude. Look at that. And he's eating bread. Look at that.
No, look at your face.
My face is messed up.
Raccoon?
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Las papitas están en
Oh, the chips? Oh, yeah,
the
yeah,
other
chips.
side. Go through the other side and get it. Get it.
So you like the place so far?
Yes.
Why, you like us in the mud or you like us in the trail?
Oh, my tattoo. My tattoo.
You got a tattoo? What tattoo is that?
This is splatter. Yeah.
It's what?
Splatter tattoo. It's devil's jizz.
Oh what?
Devil's jizz. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Gotta go? I'll be here. I catch up with mama.
I'm driving next.
Very nice.
No, me. How do I get home?
Yeah, the park is pretty cool. I mean, it has a little mud zones. It has a little beach thing. It's a nice place to visit, spend the day. It wasn't that bad. The ATV rental was 150 for 3 hours. It's pretty fun. That's really all you need. I mean, I brought my own ATV too. But this is basically, you could do it here. A lot of dirt bikes, a lot of humps and trails that you could do. But come check it out. It's pretty fun.